couple things it's equal to, which I always forget. 1 minus 2. Thank you. So this has, it can equal either of these two things, and this one's just that. So keep it in mind, it may help finish that problem. You're going to have to use one of these to get the answer. Yeah. Is that right or wrong?
Yeah, but after you take the derivative, then you use it. You don't use it first.
Yeah. Thank you. Yes.
There was one that was like f of x.
You should be able to, but then you'd probably more manipulations to do it. Because it's always equal to that. This is always equal to that. So you could always use it, but then it may take more manipulation. You know what I'm saying? Where if you just do it at the end, it's easier to take the derivative of this because then it's not a product rule, and then substitute in later. It'd be easier to do it that way. Dave, real quick, do you have a question? Yes. Great. So those we're getting into as part of the Chapter 3 review again. These are the problems we all hate.
No, they're fine.
Once you figure them out. So what's the, let's call f of x equals sine of x. And let's call g of x equals x squared. If I compose these two functions, what's the composition of, what's f of g of x then? Yeah, you don't want f of x, you want f of the g of x function, so you take the x out and you put in the entire g of x. Well, what's the derivative of this? Yeah? I'm going to do it in that order. So this is the derivative. So then how can I relate this to that? If this equals this, then what is equal to that? In terms of f of x and g of x? F prime of, keep the inside the same, outside in. Derivative of the outside thing, leave everything on the inside alone, times the derivative of what's inside.
So you're not given
Yeah, so that's why it's...
But you're given the values. You're not given this, but you are given oh, and one of them you don't have, so you can't use it.
Yeah, so...
If you don't have it, you can't use it. Oh, was that the problem with it? Yeah.
Because like I did that, but when I found like I had g prime of h of x times h prime of x, but when I
Perfect.
found like h of x, there was no like g prime of that.
Then you can't do it. Then it's there's no answer. It's not a zero. It's not anything. It's you cannot do that problem. Good point. I see your point now. Yeah. You need those specific values. If you don't, sorry, there's nothing I can do. Kind of like an M-ram on a table if you don't have the midpoint. Nothing you can do. Good question. Good question. Yeah.
So can you put parentheses on that, the 2 cosine squared?
Where?
Hey, is it x?
Oh no, it's this cosine squared x minus 1.
Yeah.
I just saw. Anyone else do operating system right now?
Oh, wait, never mind. Yeah.